Okay, now we're ready to actually test the material. We've got one of the test coupons loaded into the anvils. We've already measured the test specimen before loading it on sheet 2 of the lab manual. We're going to sheet 3 of the lab manual where we install it and actually do the testing. This is typically a two-person job. We're going to have one person turn the handle, which raises the height gauge, and this is the height gauge. We're going to have to zero this out to have a starting point. And this is our force gauge. Also, we're going to zero this out. And we're going to go in 1/2 millimeter increments and record the force gauge readings. So, since I'm doing this by myself, I'm going to get ready to turn this. I'm going to go counterclockwise. That'll raise this. You see the height gauge on the left, force gauge on the right. We go to 1/2 millimeter and say record. Another 1/2 millimeter, record. .5, record. Two millimeters and record. 2.5. Record. What do you expect to happen to the test coupon? Start to see it necking. So that is a completed test. So you can see why it takes a team to conduct this lab. You need one person adjusting the height, another person watching the force gauge, and then an observer or two to watch what's actually happening to the material.